Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? So we're gonna do the test of the freaking. Look, it's already going crazy. It wants it. So we're gonna try to destroy this by like I don't know, like using bricks and stuff, like trying to like I don't know. We're gonna try to throw it in the air, destroy it, and yeah. So first test is well, I'm gonna get my stick right here. I'll beat the shit out of this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna pop out with that stick. Um, yeah. Shut up. Or okay. Nothing happened to it. Okay, I'm gonna do it right behind this house because I don't want no one to say any shit like about like the noise and shit. So yeah. So I'm a like, ooh, this is a perfect spot right there. Yeah. Damn, I'm only holding my freaking iPhone with my freaking pinky. Ooh, this hurts. Oh shit. Okay, let's put the battery. Let's put the batteries in here. Okay. Slip in. Oh damn. Shit. It's too slippery. Slip in. Ah, oh, god damn. Okay. Motherfucker. Oh. Holy shit. Yo, I literally, I made a freaking hole in it. Wait, let me see if it still works. Holy shit. Yo. Let me see if this thing still works. Yep, it still works. It's still freaking. Holy shit. Oh, oh my god. If I have ever seen destruction in my life, it would be this shit. Look at it. Look at it. The guts are freaking falling out. Let's see if it still works. Holy crap, I need to hold it. No, this thing's dead. Oh, damn, the battery. No, I'll put the battery in it. Put the battery. Holy crap, wait. Wait, it still works. The light's still shining. Yo. Come back. Come back. Okay. Make yourself come back, huh? Yeah, Mr. Chris. I think it's pretty well taken care of. Where's the battery? Whoa, the battery's still. What the hell? It's a freaking glitch in the Matrix. Okay, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put the battery back. Let's see this shit. Holy shit, that hurt. I'm trying to see if I can, like, make it come back to life. Nah, that sticky horn is... That horn's gone. No, it's gone. Yeah, I can tell. There's part of it that's, like, missing. Like, look. This part of the motherboard is, like, chopped off, and that's why it doesn't work. So, let's just finish it. Okay. Take this piece of shit to the trash. This is what you do when your alarm is chirping. This is the right thing to do when your alarm is chirping and it's annoying as hell. The freaking completely right thing to do. No cap. Okay? I'm gonna take the battery out because that is still good. I don't care if it's like a little scratched, but it's a little good. It's still good. Alright? Okay, let's throw shit in the trash can, huh? Throw it in the little hole. And it's gone. That was a good way. It's a good way to get rid of it. That's the future right there. Damn. Why is the sky so blue? It's like turning purple. What the hell? It's kind of weird. Yeah. Chill. Okay. So we're gonna get another smoke alarm from the basement. So yeah, we're gonna get another smoke alarm. So I have to answer quiet because my parents are looking. Which one should I grab? Soon, my friend. I think this one. Yeah, I think we'll go with this one. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Okay. So we are going up. Going up. Oh shit, we gone. We gone, my niggas. We gone. Woo. I gotta put my microphone back. Okay, we gone. Oh damn, the brightness. Brightness reeks, but I don't go like peaks. Back to square one. Okay. Let's do this. One shot. Oh, I actually broke the stick. No! No, no, no! I swear to God. Holy shit. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do to this one. It's gonna have to be not a very good death, huh? Yeah. So it's not gonna end very well, huh? Okay. I guess not. I mean, there's a lot of things I could do. A lot. Like, I could maybe do this. Yeah, I think that worked. Yeah. Just kind of do this, yeah. See what happened? And I bet it's gone. Yep, it's gone. It's dead. Well, these things are freaking easy as hell to break. Don't you think? Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna go to my bench. I'm gonna go to my bench over here. And we're gonna see how this happened. Ooh, look at that bubble. The hell? Cockroach living in there? Okay, so I'm gonna put the battery in here. Okay, flip this fucking contraption over. No! Are you joking? Are you joking right now? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. So this thing still works. This thing still works after all the abuse that I've done to it. It still works. Well, my friend, you're gonna return from where you came from. I'm sorry. Three, two, one. And yep, I see some broken circuits. This thing's fried. This thing is fried. What? You see that? This thing's dead. Oh, what? No, the battery fell off. Nope. Fucking dead. What? What? Wait, so if I put it together, it's still gonna work, huh? Let's see. Damn, this battery took a giant ass dent. If this thing works, I'm gonna take a big ass hammer to it. What the hell? Nope. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'm taking this shit. Yeah, it's dead. It's dead. Hell yeah. Wait, what? The light was still flashing. Let me see this. Okay. Signs of life, but the speaker's dead. Look, see that light? Whenever I press the button, it was doing it. Wait. Yeah, it still works. Motherfucker. Yep, it's gone. It's fucking gone. Wait, no. It's not. It's not. It still works. It still works. Yeah, I think it's good now. I'm gonna throw this piece of shit away. Wait, what? Wait, I think it still works. What? You gotta be kidding me. This thing's dead. No signs of life at all. This thing did not stand a chance. I am sorry. But your alarm did not stand a chance. So yeah. Go in. Yep. It's in a better place. That's for sure. That smoke alarm is in a way better place. Okay. So yeah. And this is the remaining. This is the remain part of it. But I guess we don't need that no more. Cause, oh, it's gone. This wooden stick. It's all going in the trash. I want to leave no evidence. Oh God. Oh jeez. Okay, let's go. I don't want to leave no evidence of this, so throw it away. Whoa. Okay. Never mind. Right there. Like that. And I'm leaving. I am leaving. You know why? Because there was a freaking bee. There was a bee over there. There was a bee. Okay. I'm trying to get rid of all this shit. Here, put my microphone on. God, why is it slipping out? Oh, damn, that hurt. Ah, God. Shove it in there. That's what she said. Oh. It's gone. It's gone. You already know. You already know it's gone. This shit is gone. Ooh, I'm gonna do a panorama. Shit gone, bro. Shit's gone.